Nikigambwa ngu government ebire yabwini itaka rukwingana acres 200 bitokurugera hari Isejemba Filipo na n'abandi bantu nibagira ngu neryabo.
To see that government has come to chase us from our land, claiming to bring some other people who were displaced by River Nyamwamba, and they bring them to our area. We are also human beings like those people they want to settle. But now where do we go?
Bamwe mu batura nibagira ngu tubarkwija kwiciriza okubinga mu itaka ero batwireho kumara ubwire buringwa.
If somebody comes by force to demolish my house, I'll reply by force. Because this issue of land, we have taken the issue to the authorities, the court is aware, the chairman of RC5 is aware that the land issue is in court, the RDC is aware, all stakeholders are aware of the Bwenanule Kinyabakezi land issue.
Okurugera hari Lawrence Bwambade chairman w'entebe yo kubanza w'ekyaro kya Bwenanule Kinyabakazi wena agira ngu nangwi takeri ritwire omuntu arukumara emyaka konka n'obubagirizeho kuronda ekyapa cy'itakeri tibakibwine.
Almost 2.5 years. When we got information that these people were claiming a piece of land here, I personally went to Entebbe land offices. I went there almost thrice. I went to Ministry of Land to find out whether the land title is genuine, where it is there. When I went to Entebbe, I found out that the land title is not in the land information system.
We don't say that it's bad, but it's bad because it has conflicts. And under the Land Act, I have forgotten the act, but if you go and read in the Land Act whereby they say you can't settle somebody on the land that has conflict.
You claim to be a landowner, you have to be with a land title. So that's why strongly I say that the land is ours. Those who are complaining should go in court of law, which I strongly doubt whether they will be assisted.
Itakeri nirishango mu cyaro cya Bwenanule Kinyabakazi omugombora ya Muhocho mu district ya Kasese. Nka TV West twagezaho okushikira Filipo Isejemba ahasumu obundi akagire cyatugambira konka yatugira ngo tayine bwire. Amakuru agagasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.